everybody, today I will show you how to create a song, Independence Day song on any country like my country is Pakistan. So that's why I am taking Pakistan country. So first of all, I create our song by Sonu AI. So you have to search it. Okay, so click on the first one. After that you have to log in and because I have logged, so that's why. This is my homepage. Now, now click on create. Okay. So now here you can write like if you want, you just give the one it's just a topic. So you just write here, uh, make a song on Pakistan independence. Uh, you have to just write here, make a song on Pakistan Independence Day. So Sonu A will generate your song, and if you want to add your own lyrics, if you want this comes, so click on the customs. Now you can add your own lyrics. Like here you can see, enter your own lyrics or describe a song by click generate lyrics. So, but I am this is easy, so that's why I will teach you both. So write a song about Pakistan independence day. And now I will click on create. If you want in Urdu, so you can write here in Urdu, and if you want in English, so you also can write here. But I just gave him prompt, so that's it. This will create my song in Urdu, in English. Sorry. Wait a sec. Okay, so here our song is ready. Sonu I will create two songs, so you can select one. You can hear that song so by clicking on this button.
Green and white flags fly, hearts beat as one rhythm.
Okay, so this is our song, and if you want the song's lyrics, so here is the lyrics. Sonu I will give you a lyrics with song. Green and white flags fly, hearts beat as one rhythm. So here is our lyrics, and here's our song.
Hope rises to the sky, Independence Day given. Mountains and rivers sing, a tale of courage bold. Together we will bring our story.
So first of all, hear this old song, and after that, check out next song, and now you can select one from these two. Because if you like this one, so you can choose this one. If you like this one, you can choose this one. And if and for downloading, you have to click these three doors. Go on download. If you go on video, so Sonu I will generate video with lyrics, but if you click on audio, so this will download your audio. And after downloading audio, you can also create a faceless video of this. And I also have created a tutorial of faceless video, so you can I will mention the link in my description. You can take that from here. So click on this audio, and I have teach faceless video how to create faceless video in Canva. So you can check out in my channel, but I will mention my link in description. So this is a simple way to create a music on Pakistan, to create an Independence Day music. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like it.
Green and white flags fly, hearts beat as one rhythm. Hope rises to the sky, Independence Day given. Mountains and rivers sing a tale of courage bold. Together we will bring our story to be told. Freedom's dawn we cheer, Pakistan stands strong. On this day each year, we remember where we belong. Children's laughter fills the air, future bright and clear. Memories we all share on this day so dear. Unity is our guide, colors in the breeze. From every town inside, we celebrate peace. Freedom's dawn we cheer, Pakistan stands strong. On this day each year, we remember where we belong. Children's laughter fills the air, future bright and clear. Memories we all share on this day so dear. Unity is our guide, colors in the breeze. From every town inside, we celebrate peace. Freedom's dawn we cheer, Pakistan stands strong. On this day each year, we